Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have very interesting hiring opportunity especially for students from batch 2025 and 2026. So in this video we'll know everything about this hiring, and the hiring is coming from IndiaMART for the role of associate engineer. And in this video we'll discuss complete eligibility criteria, required skills, hiring process, important preparation strategy, and also whether average students should apply or not. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because there are some important points that many students may ignore before applying. So the company is IndiaMART, India's largest B2B marketplaces, and role is associate engineer. And according to the job description, they are specifically looking for candidates interested in AI-driven development. That means this is not just about theoretical AI knowledge. They want candidates who can actually build a product using modern AI tools and automation frameworks. And according to the job description, selected candidates will work on LLM based systems, AI agents, automation framework, intelligent workflows, and scalable AI products. And one thing I liked here is that they clearly mention you'll not only research AI, but you will actually build and ship products. So this role looks more practical and product oriented. And now let's discuss eligibility criteria. And eligible branches include computer science, IT, AI/ML, data science, data analytics, data engineering, and cybersecurity. And eligible batches are 2025 and 2026 pass out students. So yeah, 2026 batch students can also apply here, which is very good thing, because currently not many companies are opening application for 2026 batch students. And now coming to the academic criteria, so this is very important part in the job description. They have clearly mentioned that in your 10th and 12th, one should be 85% and above, and the other should be 90% and above. So basically they are expecting very strong academics, and in graduation minimum 60% is required. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, so freshers are completely eligible. And location for this going to be in Noida, and this is completely work from office opportunity. And many students will ask, is AI knowledge mandatory? So see, according to the job description, they are expecting exposure to tools like Cursor, Copilot, Claude, ChatGPT, and LLM APIs. But honestly, I don't think they expect you to be an expert AI researcher. What they probably want is you should know how modern AI tools work. You should have explored prompting, maybe build small projects, and have good coding fundamentals. So if you have done even basic AI related projects, automation projects, chatbot projects, or API integrations, then definitely mention them in your resume. Now let's talk about technical skills. So they specifically mention Python, data structure, algorithm, software engineering fundamentals, and testing concepts. So preparation should mainly focus on your DSA, Python, OOPS, DBMS, API understanding, and AI tools. And one more important thing, since this is an AI focused role, interviewer may ask, how have you used ChatGPT or AI tools in projects? Have you used APIs? Can you automate workflow? And what AI projects have you built? So don't just say I know ChatGPT. Try to create at least one small practical project before interview. Now talking about the selection process, so there will be 3 rounds: technical assessment, technical interview, and HR interview. And for technical assessment, focus on your coding, Python and CS fundamental. And technical interview, they will focus on DSA projects, AI tools, resume discussion, and problem solving ability. And in HR round there will be HR related discussion, so prepare HR questions. Now before ending the video, a small advice: do not blindly copy AI projects from YouTube or GitHub. If you mention something in resume, be prepared to explain it properly in interview. Also update your resume before applying. Mention Python skills, mention AI tools, GitHub link, and projects clearly. And now if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. and apply link will be given in the description box. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, then that link will also be given in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comments. I'll see you in the next video.